Welcome to MySci Unit 9, How Seeds Travel. This is a second grade, largely life science unit where students explore what plants need to grow, how their environmental conditions affect them, and model how animals spread plant seeds. Students also investigate the diversity of life in a habitat. Let's take a look into the unit at a glance. This unit covers 3 second grade life science standards, 2 physical science standards, and an engineering standard. The life science standards involve investigating what plants need to grow, modeling the relationships between animals and seeds, and comparing the diversity of life in various habitats. The physical science standards focus on testing different materials for how their properties fit an intended purpose and how the motion of an object changes. The engineering standard involves developing a model to show the connection between structure and function of an object. Most of the next generation science standards correspond to a Missouri Learning Standard listed in parentheses on this chart. We have integrated all dimensions of these standards into the unit. If you'd like, take a moment to pause the video and review them. This unit is divided into 2 sections. Each section has a driving question designed to reflect what we anticipate students would naturally ask through their learning process. In this unit, an anchoring phenomenon connects to both sections. Section 1 has 2 lessons and Section 2 has 3. The unit will take about 23 days to complete. The anchoring phenomenon is, there are cucumbers growing in the radish bed, even though we didn't plant them there. This theme connects to students through experiences they might have in their own gardens. After being introduced to the anchoring phenomenon, students might wonder how a cucumber seed can travel. The driving question of Section 1 is, what do cucumbers and radishes need to grow? Students will plan and carry out investigations to discover what plants need to grow. They will collect and analyze data to figure this out. Through the storyline of Section 1, students gain an understanding of this standards-based big idea. Plants need minerals and water from the soil and light to grow. Combined, introducing the anchoring phenomenon and Section 1 should take about 8 days to complete. Section 2 engages students with the driving question of how did the cucumber seed get to the radish bed? Students investigate various habitats around their school and the plants and animals living there. They then explore how plants spread their seeds and finish this section by collaboratively building a model of an animal dispersing seeds. We'd love to see your student models. Through the storyline of Section 2, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. There are many different kinds of living things in one habitat. There are habitats in water and on land. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, and animals. The structure of the seed relates to how it is dispersed. Models can be used to explain seed dispersal. Section 2 should take about 15 days to complete. Our team here at MySci hopes you and your students enjoy How Seeds Travel, and we look forward to your feedback. Happy MySciencing!